8 Smart Steps for Migration Success. Cloud migration. Unlock the cloud's full potential for greater efficiency, scalability, and innovation. Appoint a migration architect. A dedicated role ensures your project stays aligned with business and tech goals. Decide integration depth. Choose between a quick lift and shift or deeper refactoring for long-term efficiency. Choose cloud scope. Determine whether a single cloud setup or multi-cloud strategy best fits your needs. Set KPIs and baselines. Establish performance, availability, and cost benchmarks before migration begins. Prioritize workloads. Migrate mission-critical systems first. Delay less urgent ones. Refactor where needed. Adapt applications for modular design, scalability, and fault tolerance. Plan your data move. Securely stage, transfer, and reconfigure data. Minimize disruption. Switch to production thoughtfully. Stage testing, cut over in phases, confirm you meet your KPIs. Methodical planning is your best safeguard. Keep testing, measuring, refining as you go.